Hello? Hello?
Hi everyone, my name is Kiana. Welcome to the Prepare Northwest video series. Washington is one of the most exciting places on the planet. We have snow sports and rugged terrain, and we have a high risk for disasters that could happen at any time. This video is the first in a brand new series called Prepare Northwest. This series will feature preparedness experts from Washington Emergency Management in one new video each month to encourage you on your preparedness journey. Subscribe to this channel to be notified when each new video releases. Today, we're talking about how to build your preparedness over time. Being prepared for disasters does not need to be overwhelming, and we don't have to do it all at once. Life is so busy with activities that sometimes preparing for disasters may feel like something we should do whenever we get around to it. But many disasters happen without any notice, and disasters won't wait until we get around to it. To help get you going on your preparedness journey, our team created the Prepare in a Year Guide. This guide outlines 12 simple activities you and your family can do, one at a time each month, to be prepared before a disaster strikes. You can grab your free copy at mil.wa.gov/personal. A few of my friends have already started their preparedness adventure, and they have a few tips and tricks to share with you. First, securing your space is easier than it sounds. Try starting with bookshelves and hot water tanks. Next, pests are part of the family. As you build your disaster kits, make sure to include supplies for your pets. Our furry and not so furry friends will need all of their normal daily supplies during a disaster. Remember to have a picture of you and your pet to prove ownership. And your pet would love to be included in this process. It's important that everyone practices what to do before an earthquake strikes. That way, when you feel the ground shake, you know exactly what to do and won't go running in a panic. In an earthquake, drop, cover, and hold on. We all like being in the know, and we don't want to miss out on important information. Make sure you sign up yourself and your family members for local emergency alerts. It's the best way to know what is going on before and during a disaster. Since we don't know when a disaster could strike, make sure you have supplies wherever you spend time. When the seasons change, add the right supplies to keep you warm, dry, and safe. Keep an old pair of sturdy shoes with your kit so you can protect your feet. And finally, stock up by adding an extra can to your basket each time you shop. So, give it a try. This month, do one activity to increase your preparedness. You can follow along with our Prepare in a Year guide, or you can skip around and try another activity. Check back in next month to learn about another simple, easy, and free preparedness tip. Stay safe.